Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's snapshot examines 74 research papers published on a single day, December 1st, 2025. The field is computational linguistics, also known as natural language processing. This collection reveals a maturing field where the frontier is advancing faster than ever. This journey synthesizes 74 papers into a coherent narrative. It uncovers the dominant themes keeping researchers up at night, celebrates groundbreaking findings and ingenious methods, and spotlights 3 game-changing papers. By the end, a clear picture emerges of where artificial intelligence is headed next. The field is computational linguistics. Its goal is to enable machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Language is the ultimate test of intelligence. It is messy, ambiguous, and cultural. The core question has evolved from, can it talk, to can it reason reliably? New challenges include efficiency, trustworthiness, and global impact. The research from December 1st shows an obsession with the quality of thought and impact. The first major theme is efficiency and scalability, fighting computational bloat. As models grow smarter, they grow hungrier for power and memory. Work by Xian Wang and team titled Think Before You Prune focuses on pruning reasoning models. AutoNeural co-designs models for specialized neural processing units. There is also work on accelerating diffusion-based language models for faster generation. The message is clear: raw power is not enough. Elegant, sustainable power is the new goal. Theme 2 is robustness and reliability, representing a multi-pronged battle against hallucinations. This is a mounting offensive against the AI's tendency to generate plausible nonsense. Papers include Towards Unification of Hallucination Detection and Fact Verification, and fine-tuned large language models for logical translation. Saeed Jamshidi and colleagues present the Moral Consistency Pipeline for evaluating ethical stability. The objective is to build AI that can be trusted, not just AI that can be talked to. The third theme is specialization and global reach, marking a shift from general chatbots to expert systems worldwide. The era of general-purpose chatbots is giving way to expert AI. This includes benchmarks for traditional Chinese medicine diagnosis. The ADOR framework acts as an autonomous relevance engine for e-commerce. Trilex enables sentiment analysis in low-resource South African languages. The BHRAM-IL benchmark is for catching hallucinations in Indian languages. The key finding is that open source has reached the summit. DeepSeek AI and colleagues report a model, DeepSeek Versor 0.2, with reasoning proficiency on par with the best proprietary models. It achieves gold medal level performance in the International Mathematical Olympiad, and also excels in the International Olympiad in Informatics. This is not just scoring well on curated tests, but excelling in human intellectual competitions. It represents a tectonic shift, proving open development can match closed-door efforts. Another key finding is alignment without humans, discovering the geometry of truth inside the model. Yixuan Tang and team found that response quality is written in the geometric shape of internal activations. The stable rank, which captures the effective dimensionality of thoughts, predicts good versus bad answers with 84% accuracy on reward bench. This metric was used as an intrinsic reward signal, boosting math scores by 19%. This suggests models hold an intrinsic compass for truth. A third key finding involves smarter verification strategies, where cross-family checking beats self-verification. Jack Liu and collaborators conducted a massive study across 37 models and 9 benchmarks. Cross-family verification, such as using a GPT to check a Claude's output, was consistently more effective. They found that post-training reduces a model's ability to self-improve, but enhances its ability to criticize others. Math and logic tasks benefit more from verification than simple fact recall. The practical recipe is to use a verifier from a different model family than the main solver. A methodology spotlight focuses on the evolution of reinforcement learning from human feedback and parameter-efficient fine-tuning. RLHF is evolving beyond basic human feedback to incorporate intrinsic rewards. Parameter-efficient fine-tuning, or PEFT, democratizes customization. Techniques like low-rank adaptation, or LoRA, adapt giant models by training a tiny fraction of parameters. Frameworks like PEFT Factory create unified playgrounds to compare methods. This makes cutting-edge AI affordable for specialized tasks. The paper of the day is DeepSeek v3.2 by DeepSeek AI and colleagues, titled DeepSeek v0.2, Pushing the Frontier of Open Large Language Models. It matters because it achieves reasoning on par with the best proprietary models, demonstrated by gold medal performance in the International Math Olympiad and Informatics Olympiad. Key innovations include DeepSeek Sparse Attention, a scalable reinforcement learning framework, and synthetic agent training data. Its significance lies in democratizing state-of-the-art reasoning and reshaping the competitive landscape. A seminal paper is SR-GRPO by Yixuan Tang and team, titled SR-GRPO, Stable Rank as an Intrinsic Geometric Reward for Large Language Model Alignment. It matters because it discovers a quality signal inside the model's own activations. The stable rank metric alone achieves 84% accuracy on reward bench. The SR-GRPO algorithm uses this as a reward signal without human labels. It boosted a 1.5 billion parameter model's STEM performance by 10% and math reasoning by 19%. Another seminal paper is on verification by Jack Liu and collaborators, titled When Does Verification Pay Off? A closer look at LLMs as solution verifiers. It matters as a systematic study that overturns conventional wisdom. It found cross-family verification consistently outperforms self-verification. It also revealed that post-training changes a model's role in the verification ecosystem. The paper gives developers a clear recipe for boosting accuracy with existing models. Future directions illuminated by the research point towards several key areas. The first is intrinsic alignment, mining supervisory signals from a model's own internal processes. Second is hardware model co-design, where silicon and algorithms are designed in tandem. Third is the development of universal multilingual safety systems, creating robust frameworks across hundreds of languages. Fourth is sophisticated agentic AI, requiring dynamic simulations for hypothesis testing and research. Benchmarks will evolve from "answer this" to solve this complex problem. This presentation was synthesized using GPT DeepSeek, specifically the DeepSeek chat model. Text-to-speech synthesis was performed using DeepGram for audio narration. Image generation concepts utilized stable diffusion for visual elements. A human expert reviewed the synthesized content for accuracy and coherence. It is important to note that while reviewed, some oversights may exist. All references are provided. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv-preprint-server.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv-preprint-server.org.